guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first up, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC35. Just applying that around my face with a foundation brush and then blend it out with a beauty blender. So next up, I'm using my Technic contour sticks. I got these the other day and I'm using them and testing them in this video and then reviewing it in another video. So as you can see, I am contouring my contour points. Now I'm taking the light contour stick to conceal and highlight. So after that's done, I'm going to blend everything through like so. Next up, I'm using my Airspun translucent setting powder. I also got this the other day and I'll be doing a review on this product as well. So I'm just buffing that all around my face to set my foundation and concealer. I wait for 5 to 10 minutes for it to sink in. And then you brush it all off like so. Contour more depth, I'm going in with some contour powder from OPV Cosmetics. Then onto baking. I am using my Technic Soft Focus and I also got this the other day and I'll be doing a review on this too. Once applied to the areas, I did leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I just brush it off like so. So to make my nose more defined, I'm using this Sleek Effect bronzer. I'm using my concealer palette by OVP just to highlight the middle of my nose. And all I'm doing is just blending that in. So that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.